Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2024 Kawasaki KRX4 Seater 1000. We just installed the Ryco street legal kit on it. Wanted to do a walk around and show you a little bit about the kit. This is the grill slash fang light kit, part number 4200-6085-GRLLBLK. I'll be sure and post up a link to where you can go and buy this on our store today, but let's do a walk around. So with the fang light kit, we are going to absolutely replace the entire grill with this new updated grill that integrates these fang lights into it. Very cool look, very bold look on the KRX4 seater. This kit does work on the 2-seater as well. It is the same part number. How does it work? How does it operate? Just like your car. Down will be left. We've installed the indicator lights up on the dash, letting you know those turn signals are on. You can install those indicator lights anywhere you prefer. Oh yeah. Very good visibility from the front and the side. Stand out from all the other KRXs out there for sure. What I love about the Ryco Street Legal Kit is also ties into the stock tail lights in the back, illuminating all of those bright LEDs in the rear. No additional holes or anything to drill in the back. And while I'm back here, it also includes a custom license plate mount that's specific for the KRX, as well as a light to illuminate the plate at night. The Ryco kit also has the 4-way hazard function. Simply pull out on the red lever. All 4 corners are going to illuminate. There's those indicator lights on the dash. And the turn signals up front. Way cool. And on the back, very nice. To release the 4-way hazard function, you're going to simply go up or down with the lever, and horn button integrated right into the end of the lever. The Ryco kit is going to come with all of the instructions to show you how to do it. And for those of you here in Utah, the Ryco Street Legal Kit will come with everything you need to be street legal here in the state of Utah, with the exception of 2 mirrors. You do need 1 mirror on each side of the driver. You can accomplish that with a left view and a right view, or a left view and a rear view. Totally up to you. Looks good on this SE model for sure. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text. We'd love to get you taken care of. We do have these kits in stock, ready to ship. Have a great night, everybody. And if you have any questions about anything to do with the KRX, we got you covered here at Big Pine.